Good morning, everyone. I'm Vishnu Aktab, and in front of all of you, I'm presenting the Economics Time newspaper headlines. So, first of all, India's rally on positive cues from Fed minutes. Next, will implement UCC, but after open and healthy debate. Shah. Next, need to explore if Pan India law banning conversion can be passed. Home Minister. Next, more retail's net loss jumps 4 multiplied to rupees 402 crore in financial year 2022. Next, warehouse credit guarantee fund on the cards. Next, Zomato gains market share from Swiggy in H1 Jefferies. Next, PhonePe may buy Just Money in big consolidation more. Next, LNG storage plant at major ports at rupees 20,000 crore investment. Next, SC questions speed of EC appointment. Next, on page number 2, in that SC questions lightning speed of goal appointment at has EC. Next, demo proposal emanated from center, not RBI, Chidambaram. Next, land record digitalization security help in attracting investor to Jharkhand, Jammu and Kashmir. Sorry. After Badash and LG's request, Delhi Jamma Masjid withdraws order restricting girls' entry. Next, AICC plenary likely during recession of B session. Next, Uday won center over Koshiari. Next, betrayer pilot cannot become CM. Gehlot's allegations are baseless. Sachin Pilot. Next, our thought is how to get a POK, says BJP Ravi. Next, Kannada speaking areas of Maharashtra should join Karnataka. Next, Koshiari unsuited for governor's post Pawar. Next, on page number 3, in that keeping momentum, Modi holds for rallies in Gujarat. Continuing attack on Congress, Modi alleges its focus was rarely on villages and thus the true potential of rural areas was not trapped. Next, BJP to micro plan in 10 seats with rebel. Next, old order intact even as AAP poll promises fine takers in 14 travel seats. Next, AAP's high decibel campaign has little appeal in Saurashtra. The next we'll look at ways to help countries replicate the digital transportation transformation India has achieved. Current next valued at $400 million last year. Then next on page number 5, in that Veer defends in battle, Mahavir spreads peace. Next, once a fragile 5, now a global bright spot. Next, politician fit to lead sports federation. Next, new data bill to make justice accessible to all. Next, not worried about G7 price cap on Russian oil. Next, it's time to move on to COP action. Next, India's economy shows resilience growth capability. Then next, no chance can be made to CAA now. Shah. Next, politician fit to lead sports federation. Then we comes to page number 9. In that, Actix PE backed Bluepline buys Asta Group solar assets. Next, Actis has committed to invest up to $800 million in Bluepine Viva Actis Energy 5 fund, which represent $6 billion of investable capital. Next, NCLT asks Gujarat Tax Department to release Sai Info's land. Next, beneath variety inks MOU with Birmingham University. Next, Big Bang Media and New Horizons allegiance to merge. The next, Walton Street Fund invest rupees 165 crore in Soparnika Homes. The next, hospitality trends soar on new business model. Then we comes to page number 10, in that aggressive bulls target new highs, roll over cost to soar with Moody. Next, Bisleri deal with a smart buy for Tata Consumer. Next, Indian Hotel Chalet among cause keen to acquire debt of Rajesh Lifespace arm. Then next on page number 11, in that US third party validation to check fraud bunch to auditor. Next, Bisleri deal will be a smart buy for Tata Consumer. Next, Private capex reviving can touch rupees 6 lakh crore in financial year 23. Next, time has come to review monetary policy object. Next, HSBC wanted to keep L&T mutual fund entire team. Next, HDFC Bank reevaluates Brachuka as a deputy MD. Next, Dharamraj Corp offer investors a field full with green shoots. Next, ATM makers take country roads even as banking goes digital. Next, fusion against global headwinds. Next, crude oil slips below $85 a barrel. Next, increasing domestic demand. Then we comes to page number 12. In that, Investment buys minority stake worth rupees 120 crore in Sunways India. Next, Krasana plans 600 test centers by this fiscal. And next, Skyroot eyes revenue inflows possible break even by 2025. Next, insolvency pleas against GTL Infra, GTL Limited dismisses. Next, e-mobility co Prevag plans to invest rupees 400 crore for SUV launch. Next, Impresary plans to clock over rupees 1000 crore in revenue in 3 years. Next, more retail's net loss jumps 4 times to rupees 402 crore in 2021-2022. Next, India aiming to help develop 6G standard. Next, investors SEZ push for a Desh bill rollout. Next, on page number 13, in that India headed for slower growth in 2023 Moody's. Next, budget demand exporter 6 fiscal support credit at affordable rates. Next, government plans credit guarantee fund for building warehouses. Next, CCI set to handle all GST profiteering plans from December. Next, India GCC agreed to resume FTA talks Goel. Next, biz travel to boost hostel industry revenue by 23. Then we comes to page number 14, in that working out a deep purpose, sharpen company strategy and implementation agility, hacks spark innovation within business. Next, Credit Suisse clients flee to UBS in APEC has rich weight opinion options. Next, Elon Musk mottos Elon Musk Elon Musk moods general amnesty for suspended Twitter accounts. Next, Foxconn apologizes for pay dispute at China factory. Next, overstaffed $1,400 to leave after violence. Then next, after FTX crash, global regulators to target crypto platforms. Next, BOE Ramsadan favors more rate hikes but sees potential for cuts. Next, in China's COVID-19 infections hit record has economic outlook darkened. Then we comes to page number 15. It's an article section in that how to release the pension tension. Next, China's anti-recovery needs containing. Next, collect and make avail of your UTL. Next, bankmen fried vaccinated. Next, Vedic sound and mantras. Next, CBDC can be an Orwell tool. Next, select right so we elect a right. Next, SEBI HDFC mutual fund is non-functional. Next, go slow but resilient. Next, ensuring FTX is the last one. Then we comes to page number 16, in that Pilates fight moves from social media to court. Next, a controversy the size of a dinosaur. Next, the deep regret that Bono has. Next, flatter to deceive. Next, Iran arrest footballers over government criticism. Next, England don't scare US star Adams, Spider do. Then we comes to pin 19, in that Birla Fashion may pay rupees 100 crore for majority stake in Bivak. Next, Indian gamers keen to play for a living. Next, Zomato market share up despite reveal Swiggy offering higher cuts. Next, Microsoft brings poll to team meets. Next, 100 Health has London shuts spoofing site. Next, super platform on Google Cloud. Next, new $15 to 20 million round may value at $2 to 300 million. Next, Amazon Academy to shut in phases starting August 23. Next, no layoffs, exit voluntary, Amazon to Labor Ministry. Next, Amazon faces Black Friday protest strikes. Next, Nintendo sets sales record with games on Switch. Next, 6 funded pixel satellites in works. Then we comes to page number 20. In that, India likely to grow at moderately brisk rate. Next, India may see slower growth in 23 Moody's. Next, CCI to handle GST profiteering plans. Next, Amazon Academy to shut in pace. That much for today. Thanks for watching. Make a good day.